It's the Senton. Yes, it is. And you know what? I went down there and I was going to buy a Slash. And for the money and everything, I got the 4-wheel drive for the same money as I would have got the 2-wheel drive Slash for. So I went with the Slash. And it's actually a pretty cool vehicle. So, you know, I got the GoPro hooked up there on it right now. We're going to take a little spin on it. Nothing crazy. But we'll just take a ride around out there in the snow in the front yard. Shoot, why not, man? Heck yeah, this thing's gonna be kind of fun. There's a couple places that's outdoors here. Got some outdoor tracks. So we'll be visiting them. And my grandkids, they got remote controlled cars. So that's kind of why I bought it, you know. So I can play with the grandkids. Those boys, they got their remote controlled cars and they like to have fun with them. So let's take this thing for a spin, baby, and see how she rides.